Imagine this. If you just create 10 storybooks in only 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 books in 10 minutes. And each book sells just 10 to 15 times for only $50 each. That's more than $5,000 you can make in just 10 minutes. $5,000 or more in just 10 minutes. And yes, this is 100% real. Because with this new AI tool called ReadKidz AI, people are already creating and selling beautiful human-like storybooks in just a few clicks. In fact, many creators are already publishing their AI-made storybooks on Amazon KDP, Etsy, and other online platforms, and earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single week. So in this video, I'll show you how I create a full Halloween-themed kids book that doesn't even look AI-made, yet it's completely generated by AI.
Poppy was a plump orange pumpkin who grew in the middle of Farmer Breyer's field. But she was Wisp noticed Poppy's worry. Don't be scared. That night,
now let's jump into ReadKidz and see how it actually works. Alright, so first of all, go to the official website of ReadKidz AI. Once you're on the home page, and at the top, there's the AI picture book option. Now, to start, click on the AI Generate button. Once you click, a new page will open. Here, you'll find two main options, single book and book series. For this example, I'll go with the single book option. Now, this is step 1, creating your picture book. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice some ready-made prompts, and if you prefer, you can also type your own custom prompt above. Since I'm creating a Halloween-themed book, I'll write a suitable prompt for that. Once the prompt is ready, write the age group of your reader. For example, I'll choose 4 to 6 years old. Next, select the story type. I'll choose Halloween. Then choose the story theme. Again, I'll go with Halloween style. After that, you'll see an option to pick the story perspective. Either third person or first person. I'll choose the third person perspective. Then you'll get two more options, non-anthropomorphic and anthropomorphic. For example, I'll select the anthropomorphic option. Finally, you can choose the video size for your storybook. For this one, I'll select the standard 16:9 ratio. Once you've finished adjusting all the settings and written your prompt, click on the AI Generate button. After a few seconds, ReadKidz will automatically write a complete story script based on your prompt. You'll also see the title of your story appear at the top of the page. So, for our Halloween picture book, ReadKidz has instantly generated a beautiful story script that matches the prompt we gave it. If you want, you can also make corrections in the script, for example, deleting or modifying any paragraph that doesn't fit. Once you're done editing, click on the Extract Roles button. Now, the second step here is to choose a style. You'll see lots of different art styles available, and you can pick whichever fits your book best. For example, I'll choose the super cute cartoon style, and then click on the next button. Now, the third step is to set your character images. Here, on this page, you'll see the drawing style option. I'll select the same super cute cartoon style that I chose earlier. If you want, you can pick any other drawing style from here. After confirming the style, we'll move on to creating our character images. Click on the Edit Character button. Here, you can edit and customize different details of your character. And once you're happy with it, click on Generate. ReadKidz will now create 4 different images for your character, all based on the style you selected. You can choose whichever one you like the most. In the same way, I'll create 2 more characters that will appear in our Halloween storybook. So now, I've created all 3 character images successfully. If you want, you can also download these character images to your computer. Next, click on the Next button and another page will open. Now, the fourth step is to edit your story. On this page, you'll see all the dialogues and storyboards that have been generated. If you want, you can edit or even delete any of these storyboard parts. Once everything looks good, click on the next button again, and the AI will generate your story layout. ReadKidz will now organize your storyboard into a beautiful page layout, turning each dialogue into a separate page. Now, let's move on to editing it further. First, let's edit the text. You can change the font style, make the text bigger, smaller, or medium. And adjust its position by simply dragging it around. Once you've adjusted the text, click on the Generate button on the screen. And now, the AI will automatically generate a background image for that page, based on your title and story content. It has also given us 4 different image options, so you can pick whichever one you like the most. If you want, you can even download these images directly. In the same way, you can edit the remaining pages of your story one by one. You can make adjustments according to your story and preferences. And, for each page, you can generate new background images as needed. Along with this, you can also edit the role or portrait reference of the characters, if you want to make the story more relatable and detailed. With that, our story content is now ready, and all the background images have been created as well. Now, let's move on to adding voiceovers and background music. First, go to the audio option, and then click on Voice Edit inside the voice library.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz, a world.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz.
You'll find many different voice artists to choose from. You can select any voice that suits your story the best.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz.
Similarly, I'll assign different voices for the dialogues of other storyboards. After that, click on the check mark in front of the storyboards you want to generate voices for. You can select up to 4 dialogues at the same time. Then, click on the Generate button and the voiceovers will automatically be created for those storyboards. Repeat the same process for the remaining voiceovers until all parts of your story have voices assigned. Once the voiceovers are done, click on the Background Music button. Here, you'll find a wide collection of background tracks. You can also use the search bar to explore different music categories and listen to each track before choosing. For example, I'll go with a track called Knock at Old Oak Tree. Now, click on the Present button to preview your story.
Poppy the Pumpkin and the Halloween Parade. Poppy was a plump orange. But she was Wisp noticed.
It looks really great. Now, let's move to the final part, exporting and downloading the storybook. At the top of the screen, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click on it, and you'll find 2 options, Export Image and Export PDF. For this example, I'll select Export PDF. Then, click on Save, and the storybook will be downloaded in PDF format to your computer. If you'd like to download your storybook as a video, you can do that too. Just click on the Generate Video button at the top. Click it once more to confirm, and then you'll see several settings appear. Here, you can set effects for your story. I'll click on the Random button, and the tool will automatically select the best visual effects using AI. In the same way, I'll choose the Random option for animation, so the AI applies the most fitting animations for our story. I'll also apply background music using the Random setting. After setting all this up, click on the Generate button, and ReadKidz will start creating your video version of the storybook. Once the video is generated, click on the History option at the top to open your video. Preview the video.
Pumpkin and the Halloween Parade. Poppy was a plump eel.
As you can see, it looks amazing. If you're happy with it, click on the Download button at the bottom. And that's it. Your complete AI-generated storybook video is now saved to your computer. And that's how easily you can create stunning kids books using ReadKidz AI. You can start absolutely free with a free plan that lets you create picture books with watermark and limited voices and styles. If you want more features, the standard plan starts at $10 per month, the Pro plan at $24 per month, and the Mega plan at $50 per month. All of them unlock extra credits, voices, styles, and no watermark on your work. It's fast, creative, and a real earning opportunity. ReadKidz are currently running a monthly creative competition where participants can win cash prizes. The top prize is up to $100, and the competition is genuine and valid. Full details can be found on the ReadKidz homepage. The link to ReadKidz AI is available in the description and pinned comment below. Also, ReadKidz has now introduced a new feature. If you'd like to preserve your crafted picture books as keepsakes or present them to friends, you can now use their printing service. Stay tuned for more tutorials.